Bitch pulled up to my hotel just to set me up. Red ass bitch, she told the police I was toting guns. When she know I wasn't, but fuck it to be honest. Cause soon as the police dropped the price, then bitch I paid the bond. Police took 2 sticks, I'm here in the gun shop buying 3 more guns. Out behind the wall, I seen him in jail, that boy ain't one do nothing. Fuck that nigga, I should go pay a bond just to wet him up. Wet him up, headshot, I don't care if he vest still steep up when we hop out truck. I want it wig, I ain't even tryna top